Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide like count on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have my Instagram application opened, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on our profile button right here. Then you can select the post that you want to hide the like count. And for example, I'm going to select this post. Just tap on the post, and after that you can tap on this three dots button. Then since we want to hide like count, we can click on hide like count right here. Okay, and now the like count has been hidden. And if you want to hide like count for all your posts on Instagram, you can go to Instagram setting. Just go back to the Instagram profile, then you can click on this button, then just select settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down until you find like count. So this is the like count setting. Tap on it, then you can click on this toggle button to activate the hide like count. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can hide like count on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video guys.